Welcome to BioThought. So today we are going to discuss the page 20 of Ncert Biology of Biological Classification, second chapter. And yes, wait a minute. Let me put on the charger. So in the previous class, we were discussing on virus, viroids, prions, and lichens. So now coming to the 20th page. See, you can see a picture. What picture is this? The first one is the picture of tobacco mosaic virus, TMV. It is having RNA structure. And it is having capsids. It is having outer capsid layer. Okay. Yes. The next is what? Bacteriophage. Bacteriophage is having what? A head, then collar, then what? A sheath is the present here, sheath, then tail fibers. These are the structures of parts of bacteriophage. Okay. Now, once they infect a cell, they can take the machinery of the host cell. Now we are talking about, yes, we are talking about viruses, right? Viruses. We were previous class talking about viruses. So they says that once they infect a cell, they can take the machinery of the host, complete control of this host cell to replicate themselves and finally killing the host. You have heard about coronavirus, right? Would you call virus living or non-living? Question. Whether you are calling virus living or non-living, we will come to that point. And virus means venom or poisonous fluid. So virus means what? It is a venom or it is named as a poisonous fluid. Then Dmitry Ivanovsky, 1892, recognized certain microbes as casual organism of the mosaic disease of tobacco. So he recognized that certain microbes are the casual organism of mosaic disease in tobacco. Some microbes brings mosaic disease in tobacco, and these were found to be smaller than bacteria. They were found to be smaller than bacteria because they pass through this bacteria-proof filters, you know. So the bacteria-proof filters also they passed. So they were the tobacco mosaic virus which we discussed. And then coming to M.W. Bejering, 1898, demonstrated that the extract of infected plants of tobacco could cause infections and in healthy plants, and named the new pathogen virus called the contagium, the fluid as contagium vivum fluidum, that is infectious living fluid. So what he did, he had taken the infected plant and grind it and applied on the healthy plants, and healthy plants got what? Infection. Next is W.M. Stanley. Now we are introducing different scientists, okay? W.M. Stanley, 1935, showed that virus could be crystallized, and crystals consist of largely of proteins. Yes, and they are inert outside their specific host cell. So they are inert outside their specific host cell. Viruses are obligate parasite, means what? Compulsory parasites. See? So that's regarding the virus, and we are continuing the virus topic. So they says that we already know the inert crystals love structures of protein layer, capsid is there outside of the virus, and they're obligate parasites, compulsory parasites. And in addition to proteins, virus also contains genetic material. Not only proteins, genetic material. That could be either RNA or either DNA, not both. So no virus contains both RNA and DNA. A virus is a nucleoprotein, and the genetic material is infectious. And in general, viruses that infect plants have single-stranded RNA. If it is infecting the plants, it will be having single-stranded RNA. Viruses that infect animals have either the single-stranded RNA or double-stranded RNA or double-stranded DNA, but not both RNA and DNA. Bacterial virus or bacteriophages, what do you mean by phages? That is a virus. So virus that infect the bacteria is known as bacteriophage, are usually double-stranded DNA virus. They are usually what? Double-stranded DNA viruses. So the protein called capsid, made up of small subunits called capsomeres, protects the nucleic acid. Yes, we had seen in this tobacco mosaic virus that this is RNA structure, and here it is the capsomeres. Lot of capsomeres make small subunits, makes the capsid structure, right? So we have seen in the tobacco mosaic virus structure. So this protects the nucleic acid, and these capsomeres are arranged in helical or polyhedral geometric forms, and viruses cause disease like mumps, smallpox, herpes, influenza. What are the diseases? This is important in need point of view. Okay, that is mumps, smallpox, herpes, influenza. AIDS is humans. AIDS in humans is also caused by virus. So another disease. AIDS in humans is also caused by virus. And in plants, the symptoms can be mosaic formation, leaf rolling, curling. Before now, we have talked about the animal group. Now coming to plants, it is mosaic formation, leaf rolling, curling, yellowing, likewise. Okay. So that's all regarding today's NCERT's 20th page, and there is only one more page left and some question discussion. Then the second chapter also comes to end. So I have uploaded the Leaving World this playlist for the NCERT line by line, and also biological classification playlist. Do watch it, and also I have uploaded a new playlist of shorts of NEET PYQ. Go through it, and it will be easy for your exam preparations. And that's it. Thank you.